A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. Trigonometry has some important applications in circles to find the length of the chord and the radius of the circle. Let's look at the circle. We need to find the length of chord AB. For that, consider the right triangle AMO. In this triangle, angle AOM equals 60 and angle A equals 30. Thus, the angles are 30, 60 and 90. So, if we take the radius as r, then the perpendicular or height is 1 by 2r. It's because to find the side opposite to 30-degree angle, the side opposite to 90-degree angle must be divided by 2. Like this, the length of AM or half chord will get by multiplying 1 by 2r by root 3. So, AM equals root 3r by 2. We will get AB by multiplying AM into 2, that is 2 into root 3r by 2, which equals root 3r. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Do you know, this question can be easily done using trigonometric functions. Let's see how it's doing. Consider the right triangle AMO. As you know, sine function is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine 60 is equals AM by AO. That is, AM equals AO into sine 60. AM equals radius into sine 60. So, to find the length of the chord, AB is equal to 2 into AM. That is 2 into r sine 60. Simply, we can say AB equals 2r sine 60. If we name the central angle as C, this equation will become length of chord equals 2r sine C by 2. This is an important equation used in trigonometry to find the length of chord and radius. Now we can go for another example using this. Look at this figure. Here, central angle is C equals 100. Radius r equals 3. We have to find the length of chord. While applying the equation, we get PQ equals 2r sine C by 2. That is 2 into 3 into sine 60. Because C is 100, so C by 2 will be 50. So 2 into sine 50 will become 6 into 0.766, which equals 4.6. Moving on. Using this, we can find the ratio of sides of triangle. See this triangle? Triangle with angles 55, 60 and 65. For solving this problem, we should draw circumcircles. And now, the sides of the triangle can be considered as chords of the circle. Now, draw the central angle of each chord like this. If we take the circumradius as r, as per the equation studied before, the length of the chord equals 2r sine C by 2. Therefore, the length of chords here are 2r sine 55, 2r sine 60, 2r sine 65. 2r is common for all, so 2r can be neglected. So, the ratio can be written as sine 55 is to sine 60 is to sine 65. Okay, let's go for another type of triangle. The question is same as to find the ratio of sides, but here you're going to feel some difference because one angle is greater than the 90, that is 110. 110 is an obtuse angle. In this question also, we have to draw the circumcircle as we done in previous question. The central angle should be drawn for 3 sides. The central angle of AC is double the angle B, that is 2 into 40 equals 80, because ABC is an angle formed at the alternate arc of AC. Similarly, central angle of BC will be double the angle of A, which is 60. To find the central angle AB, join A and B to the center. So we get the central angle of the other part as 110 into 2 equals 220. So the central angle of chord AB equals 360 minus 220, which equals 140. Now we got all central angles. So by applying the equation of length of chord, the ratio will get as 2r sine 30, 2r sine 40, 2r sine 70. Here you note this, 70 is supplementary angle of 110. you will get 70-degree angle by subtracting it from 180. So, when you are given an obtuse angle, it should be subtracted from 180 to find the length of the chord. Now take a look at this right triangle. The angles are 40, 50 and 90. If we draw a circumcircle, the hypotenuse will be the diameter of the circle, because angle in a semicircle is 90. Assume that the diameter is a centimeter. While applying the equation of length of chord, that is 2r sin c by 2, you will get AC equals a sin 50. From here, you should understand, to find one side of a triangle, multiply the circumdiameter with sine of opposite angle. Similarly, we can find CB by multiplying A and sin 40. So, CB equals A sin 40. Let's practice one more question. Find the side AB for the given triangle. Here, given that radius equals 4 and angle C equals 60 degree. As per the equation, side AB equals diameter into sine of opposite angle. So, AB equals d sin 60, which will become 8 into sin 60, which equals 8 into root 3 by 2. As we know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2, which equals 4 root 3. Let's go for another question. Find the circumdiameter of the given triangle. Given that AB equals root 3 centimeter and angle C equals 60 degree. As per the equation, d sin 60 equals AB. Here we have to find the diameter. So, take sin 60 to the other side. Thus, we get d equals AB by sin 60, which equals root 3 divided by root 3 by 2. Here we have to take the reciprocal. So, we will get root 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 can be cancelled. So, we get diameter equals 2 cm. Through this session, you have studied, in a circle, the length of any chord is double the product of radius and the sine of half the central angle. And one side of a triangle is the product of its circumdiameter and the sine of its opposite angle.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.